Hi, I'm Doug the Neighbor, and welcome to my video, Goodwill $5. Yes, I was shopping at the Goodwill, and guess what I got today for $5? They had a little box there at the Goodwill, and you just grabbed box, and you gave them $5, and you grabbed something. And I grabbed this right here. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited to see it. No one else wanted it. It was pretty much at the bottom of the pile, but it was absolutely fantastic. It was in this plastic wrap here. Let me just get this on open like this here. And it is a collection of pocket knives. Let me just dump them all out here. Not so much for unwrapping, but get it all out like that and adjust the camera a little bit. It's just a plastic box, but it's a box of pocket knives. Look at this first one here. This is a pocket knife. Like you can see, it's camouflaged there. It's manufactured by iWork here. It's already in the package. That's a pretty good deal for $5. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's busted. Okay, looks like a Swiss Army knife. It's got all the blades here, little blades. It's just missing the, let's see if we can't get one of these things open. Yeah, there it is. Nice little blade there. So, but it's just missing the back part there. It's already got the keychain, so that's not so bad. I like that. That's okay. Give that to a small kiddo. Oh, look at this one here. Looks like it's got a brand name on it. What's that say? Northam, Inutham, something like that. Swiss Army, there's the logo. It's red. Get out a blade or two. Oh, there's the corkscrew. Looks like I'm going to have to put a little bit of WD-40 in some of these here. Okay. There you go. That opens on up. Get that out. Yeah, there's the blade. Oh, it's still sharp. That's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. All right. Oh, looks like my camera's moving around here a little bit, so I'll just do a little adjusting there. So we've got those three blades right there. What's this one here? Oh, another Swiss Army knife. Okay, this is good. Got a keychain. All right, there's no logo on it. It might not be a Swiss Army knife. It's in the same style, same red, but it might not be a Swiss Army knife. Open up there. Oh, there's a bottle opener right there. Okay, what's this one here? There's blade. Okay, what's this over here? Looks like all of these need a little bit of, oh, there's a smaller bottle opener. That's kind of interesting. It's a smaller one. And no blood, just what's that there on that side? Got that open. Oh, that's a screwdriver. That looks like a Phillips head screwdriver there. Maybe a nail punch. No, it's a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. All right, what's this in here? See if I can't get this on open. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a pair of scissors. And it works. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, that's a nice little something. I like that a lot. I'm not so sure if it's Swiss Army, but it's in the same style. Okay, let's try this one here. Oh, look at that. That is an old style Boy Scout knife. That is some sort of bone there on the side, both sides. Got a little keychain there. No, that's not a keychain. That's the original handle. Oh my gosh, that's an old style Boy Scout knife. Look at that. Oh, let's do it like that. Oh, there's the bottle opener. Okay, what do we got here? We've got the blade, nice stubby blade there. Oh, that's the bottle opener. That could also be a can opener, I think. Bottle opener. And what do we got here? Let's get that out of the way. Take a look at this. There's another bottle opener. So this is an old style Boy Scout knife with the bone handle. Look at that. Oh, it looks like there might be a label in there. I can't see it. It's worn away. But absolutely fantastic old style Boy Scout knife. Okay. Oh, look at this one here. It's smaller. This is the type of pen knife that your grandfather had. It looks like it might be ivory or bone there, and looks like metal labeling in there. But this is something your grandfather might have and whittled out there on the back porch. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, a little stiff there. I'll have to get some WD-40 and open that up. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my gosh. Old style grandfather pocket pen. I think they called them pen knives. Just those two little blades there. That's it. Isn't that fantastic? Oh my gosh. I do remember my grandfather had one in his pocket. And he gave me one, and my mother quickly confiscated it. So, till later, till I was a little older. Oh, look at this. The similar pen knife. Look at that. I don't know why they called them pen knives when they were so small. I don't know that, but that's kind of interesting. Look at that. Is that a bone or so? It's on there, some sort of bone. I guess, I don't know. It's kind of modeled there. So, and let's see if we can get this open. Yeah, there's a nice thin blade there. Oh, there's another blade there. Oh my gosh, what do we got here? We got a third one. A third blade. So isn't that something? Old style pen knife. He looks like a little rust worn away here. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Okay, we've got some more here. Don't go away. We've got some more. Oh, here we go. Swiss Army knife. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's in pretty good shape. What's this here? A little white thing. Oh my gosh, it's got a toothpick sticking out of it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's great. Oh, there's a wine opener right there. Corkscrew. Oh, what's this here? Oh, look at that. That's a screwdriver also. Phillips head right there. And what do we got here? Oh, it's just a smaller blade. Is there another blade in there? Yes, there is. Look at that. So there's the corkscrew right there. Oh, look at that. So there's the corkscrew there. And that is a small blade there. Then another small blade. Oh, that's got a file on the side, so that must be a fingernail file. That's interesting. Get that down there. It needs a little WD-40 in there. And there's another small blade. And there's the screwdriver right there, the Phillips head right there. Okay, flip it on over. See what we got here. Oh, there's a bottle opener. And what is this here? Oh. There's another bottle opener. You see how it's two different sizes. So, okay. And what do we have here on this side? Big blade right there. And looks like there's another one in here. What is this? Yes, there's another one there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Unbelievable. That is a saw. It's a saw, and it's pretty sharp too. Oh my gosh, I really like that. So there you go. That's one. The big blade right there. We've got this here. And we've got, oh, the bottle opener, get that over there. It doesn't, it's got an attachment for a keychain, but that's a really, really nice knife. That's really something. All right, what do we got here? Oh, this is a nice little, this is like a little pen knife that you give away from your company or something like that. Look, there's the logo right there. Oh my gosh, the light works. Oh my gosh, how's that? A miniature pen knife. Look, there's the Swiss Army logo. And it's got a little light to it. I love that. What do we got here on this side? Okay, let's see if we can't get this open. I don't know what that is. Well, there we go. Oh, it's a pair of scissors. Look at that. Cute little pair of scissors. And there's something, let's get that out of the way. And there's something here. Oh, that's good and stuck. That's really stuck. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. And then on this side, there's a blade. And there's another blade. So isn't that nice with the flashlight? Nice little miniature pen knife. Oh my gosh, with the light. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, put that back in there. Put this here. Okay, I'll look at that later. Okay. And oh, look at that. That must be an original Boy Scout knife because it's got the fork, the spoon, and what do we have on this side? Nothing more on that side, but there is there is a small knife, and there is a bottle opener. That must be, and look at the bone, that must be bone in there of some sort, bone handle. That must be an old style Boy Scout knife. I don't think they even make them like this anymore with the fork. It's got a fork. It's got a spoon, the knife, and the bottle opener. Oh, it's okay. The bottle opener that's got to go over there a little bit. See, so I guess you got to close the knife first, and then the bottle opener, and then close this like this. Yep, that's how you do it. There you go. Look at that's old. Oh, that must be old Boy Scout. Oh my gosh. All right. And we've got another, look at this. This is, I don't know what that logo is. What's that say? Is that upside down? That's the Swiss Army logo. What's that steel? Steel Edge trademark, I guess. It's got a keychain. What's this here? Don't know what that is. Don't know. What is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a blade, a couple of blades, a little pop-out blade there. Oh, look at that. 4 blades there, and there, and there, and there. That's very nice. It's very, very nice. Well, it looks like something was in there. I wonder if there was a pen or something like that. Oh, I know what that is. That's so you can put it in your shirt pocket. Right? Is that how it is? Notice that little thing, that notch goes back and forth. I think that's so you can put that in your shirt pocket. And it looks like there's some sort of cavity there for like a pen or something. Well, that's kind of interesting. I know. Maybe that's where you put in batteries, and that's the on-off handle. Okay. Oh, what? Isn't that something? Oh my gosh. I like that. Oh, and then we've got this little, oh look, must have been a knife, the inner workings of a knife, and it's lost the covers to it. See, it's pretty rough shape, but it's still the blade's not bad. Blade's not bad. And a file, let's see, there's a file, so that's your fingernail file, and there's a little blade there, and a bottle opener. So that's not so bad. Okay. That's not so bad. And here's our traditional, looks like it's a Swiss Army knife. They certainly have cornered the market in knives. Here we go. There you go. Okay, there's the bottle opener. And a blade. And what's this over here? All right. Oh, a pair of scissors. Okay. Two bottle openers. There's a bottle opener there. And it looks like there's... oh, is this similar to the other one I had with all of the tools attachments? Because that's a screwdriver there, and there. It just needs a little olive oil or WD-40 oil. Olive oil works the same way. Huh? Look at that. Oh, I've already done this one. I'm repeating myself. There is the. Oh no, I haven't. That is some sort of toothpick. It's very similar to the other knife. Yeah, look at that. That was an ivory-handled toothpick. So look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 knives from shopping at the Goodwill for $5. Another great reason for shopping at the Goodwill for $5. I'm Doug the Neighbor. Please enjoy this video and subscribe. Take care. All the best.